You will fall! On this day, I won't give up without a fight! Prepare yourself!
We must establish peaceful contact before any further movement. Then let's begin negotiations.
We are prepared to listen.
Good. Let's start with mutual understanding.
Hi. Welcome to Portal 7. Advanced AI models such as Kling 2.6, Nano Banana Pro, WAN 2.5, and Google Veo 3.1 are transforming imagination into reality for creators. With these tools, a simple idea can be brought to life in just a few clicks, turning creative vision into tangible results instantly. Higsfield is one of the fastest-growing Gen AI companies, built with one goal: make AI video creation genuinely creator-friendly. Inside one platform, you get access to the world's leading models such as Nano Banana Pro, Kling 2.6 Audio, WAN 2.5 and more. Higsfield also recently launched Cinema Studio, the first ever end-to-end filmmaking pipeline that takes you from a deliberate first frame to a finished video. In this video we will see basic steps to make AI video in Higsfield. For categorized access you can click on above menu bar. For example, if you click on Image, you will see all image-related tools and AI model. Same in Video menu, you will see all video-related tools and AI model. Menu is big and so much to explore. Here we will start with Image. Click on Image and then Create Image. Here you can see images that I have generated earlier. Now in prompt box type your prompt. You can also attach your image for modification. But I am making image here with just text. Now choose AI model. Here you will see various options, but from last 1 month my favorite is Nano Banana Pro. So, I will go with it. Now choose image ratio. I will set ratio 16:9. Now choose resolution. Now choose batch size, I will set 2 images. Now click on Generate. And within few seconds image is ready. You can check the image quality. Now I will modify my prompt to make it a fight scene. This time image output I will set 1. Click on Generate. And within few seconds image is ready. Now let's move image to video generation. Click on Animate here. At the left side in prompt box write your prompt. Audio I will keep on. In AI model you can see all popular models are here. I will set Kling 2.6 here. Duration I will set 10 seconds. Click on Generate. And within few minutes video is ready.
You will fall! On this day, I won't give up without a fight! Prepare yourself! You will...
You can check quality is same as a Hollywood movie. You can download it and use it as you wish. Now let's try one more example. Click on Create Image. This time my prompt is based on science fiction. And you can see the image. It's amazing. Now click on Animate. Type your prompt. This time AI model I will set WAN 2.6. I will use multi-shots feature to make it much realistic. I will set quality 1080p and duration 15 seconds. Now click on Generate. And within few minutes video is ready. And you can see result.
We must establish peaceful contact before any further movement. Then let's begin negotiations.
We are prepared to listen.
Good. Let's start with mutual understanding. We must establish peaceful contact before any further movement. Then let's begin negotiations.
We are prepared to listen.
Good. Let's start with mutual understanding. We must establish.
It's looking like a science fiction movie clip. If you are not satisfied with results, you can click on Rerun to make it again. Now I will download it. Now come back to home page. You can see announcement here. At this time Nano Banana Pro and Kling models are up to 85% off. Choose your suitable plan. And create your imaginations in reality. Click on video's description link to explore Higsfield AI tools to boost your creativity. To see more videos like this, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.